Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong。
你好，我是 Joseph Ling.And this month, there's a very healthy event. It's the 2007 Hakka Walkathon. 那有这个所谓的这个 Walkathon 路跑活动，其实是一个很不错的一个运动啊，因为它很简单，穿上运动鞋你就可以路跑了嘛。
是说这位。就是跑了。
跑是不是 ？Okay. I think a lot of people here in Taiwan are getting into walking and jogging because it's really the simplest form of sports. And all you got to do is put on a pair of sneakers and go outside and you're on your way to a healthier life. So I'm very glad that things like this are happening around the island. 那顺便问一下好了，那你有没有喜欢什么运动？
游水。
是什么？
游泳啊。
游泳。that's what Alice likes. Okay, so Alice likes to swim. 游水。
俺做的打球啊。
还有打球
啊。
打球。我也喜欢打球。
打马个球。
我第一个喜欢的是网球。
妙球。
妙球。这好像以前教过哈。妙球 ，That's tennis. That's my favorite. And then I also like to play basketball. 我也喜欢打篮球。
篮球。
对，篮球，对，记得了，篮球。打篮球怎么说？
大篮球。
听起来怪怪的。打篮球 ，Let me play basketball. Sounds really weird.
大篮球。
大篮球，我们不要讲打篮球好了，投篮球好了啦。
投篮球。
投篮球，怎么听起来越来越怪啊？那在玩篮球好了，好不
好？高篮球。
哇，怎么越讲越怪啊？高篮球。
对啊，高篮球就是玩篮球啊。
See, it sounds weird in Mandarin, but it actually is the official way of saying play basketball or shoot the basketball in Hakka. It just sounds weird. Let's just go back to 打篮球好了。
打篮球，
现在听起来很正常了。Okay, let's go ahead and also teach some other sports. You know what else I also like? Badminton. 羽毛球也是蛮喜欢的一个运动哎。
羽毛球。
羽毛球会比较看到羽毛球会举手起来。羽毛球。
没有羽毛啊。
那听起来羽毛啊。也 make sense 啦，因为常常都要这样子举手起来。
卡了
啊！对，就羽毛球羽毛球。Well, you know what? We missed out this year, so we better participate this next year. 其实明年呢，你一定要提醒我哦，因为其实这个非常健康的活动，客家路跑活动，我希望2008年可以一起参加。
OK， 叫我来去。
一起去嘛哈。好，那 that's it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
按子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.